Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I don't know how I ever got by without having a lighted mirror before, but I want to tell you all the reasons why it's made my life so much easier. We live in a very dimly lit home, and so it's been difficult for me to actually see my face to be able to put on makeup well. My favorite setting is warm because it makes my skin tone look the right color. It's also dimmable so that you can get that perfect lighting for whatever situation that you're in. My husband and I share a tiny little bathroom and we're always fighting for the mirror. So this is really nice to have the option to be able to take this handheld mirror into the living room and do my makeup out here. Fami Homie did a really good job with making a solid mirror. The back side is very magnified, which to be honest, at first was a little bit scary to see my face so up close, but has made it so much easier for me to get those little fine hairs on my eyebrows and be able to get a cleaner look. It's also really good for nighttime when I need that extra bit of light. It's so convenient that it's handheld. It's easy to remove from the base and the handle is really smooth and solid. I'm so happy with this lighted mirror. I wish I'd gotten one sooner. So if you're on the fence on whether you need one or not, you definitely do. So go get yourself one. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.